Big Bad Wolf to Wolfpack 1. I'm fangs out. Locked and loaded. Identified soft target. Locking in on Straw House. Commencing Operation Suburban Store.
Wolfpack to Big Bad Wolf. Commence atmospheric percussion with Straw House. Repeat, Straw House.
Roger, Dodger.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Little pig, let me come in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, dude.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Yeah, right, whatever. Whoa, later for this, Crib.
Straw House down. Repeat. Straw House demolished.
Let me in, bro! A wolf's on my butt! Bro, it's a wolf! Dude!
Careful! I just refinished the door.
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hairs on our chinny! Oh, what is it again? Go to my comm space. Deep breath. Chin chins! Not by those hairs!
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Oh, great. There goes my whole night. My limited edition Dorothy and Toto.
Dude, we're gonna be tacos carnitas! Vamonos!
Stick House is history. One blow, goodbye. I'm on to the brick house.
Dude! Door! Open the door!
Who is it that wants into my very solid and secure brick house?
It's Richard and Sandy! Your brothers!
Richard and Sandy who?
No joke, dude! Let us in!
State your mother's maiden name.
Oh, for the love of pork! It's Pig!
What? Dude, that's my mom's maiden name, too.
Oh, no!
Big Bad Wolf, pace yourself on the brick house. Remember your training. Stay frosty.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing. The brick joint is going down.
Open up, Mason! He's getting really close!
Jeez, I know! I can smell!
What is going on, barging in on me like this? I was alphabetizing my receipts, and now I'm gonna have to start all over.
Little pigs, let me come in.
Not by the hairs on our collective chinny chin chins.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
As if any wolf has a chance against my brick house. Something you two should have considered with your building materials.
Wolfpack 1, we have a problem. Negative on brick house. I'm going off plan. Heading down the chimney.
What the heck is he doing? Abort, not the chimney. Abort now. Shut it
Down. Repeat, abort the chimney plan. Big Bad Wolf, respond.
Dude, I think he's on the roof.
Oh,
Wait, maybe it's Santa.
what if he comes down the chimney?
Build a fire! You two, get your fat hams moving!
Fat? Who are you calling fat? I am at Pilates 4 days a week.
More sticks! Hurry! You call that a stick? How am I supposed to start a fire with a log?
I think I know my way around sticks.
Dude, you should really bank the sticks, like teepee style, against the back. And if it was me, I'd use straw. But, you know, it's your fire.
Be quiet!
I was just
Be
saying.
quiet!
Wolf power!
The fire.
We want Freddy for a leader. Freddy is a man of class. We want Freddy for a leader.
All stand and raise your champagne glass. Gentlemen and assassins and ladies of the night, I call upon you this evening in the hope of shedding some light. I can't go into detail or finger unfounded fools, but there are some here amongst us that are not playing to the rules. I've rounded up the lowlife and local CID, offered a free massage or else the third degree. There is no simple solution in this life we lead, so make things easy for yourself to the baronage can see. We want Freddy for our leader. Freddy is a man of class. We want Freddy for our leader. All stand and raise your champagne glass.
Peace shall not prevail entirely, came the stark warning today. From his hospital bed, drip-fed Fred vowed he was here to stay.
I'll tell you something for nothing.
He claimed
Never in all my days have I felt so intimidated by the cheap tactics on display.
Freddy for our leader. Freddy is a man of class. We want Freddy for our leader. All stand and raise your champagne.
And approaching the pulpit, the Right Honourable Reverend Green.
We're gathered here this evening to pay our due respects to drip-fed Fred, who late last night fell out of his prison bed. We know the nonce behind it. We slipped the night PD. Ooh, the word is out now. Without doubt, you will answer to me.
Gentlemen and assassins and ladies of the night, I call upon you this evening in the hope of shedding new light. There is a simple solution, one called honour amongst thieves. So we'll take pity on your souls and only cap your knees.
Freddy for a leader. Freddy is a man of class. We want Freddy for a leader. All stand and raise your champagne glass. We want Freddy for a leader. Freddy is a man of class. We want Freddy for a
Well, my baby left her jingling John for folding Fred. True love never backed up one word that she said. That proves to me that a blackberry's green when it's red. My baby left her jingling John for folding Fred. My baby told me, honey, you're poor, but I love you. And you could make me happy just living in a little old shack. She seemed real happy with my jingling front pocket money, till the grapevine told her that folding Fred was back. Well, my baby left her jingling John for folding Fred. True love never backed up one word that she said. And that proves to me that a blackberry's green when it's red. My baby left her jingling John for folding Fred. I heard love was sweeter than a great big watermelon, and love was 50-50 right down the middle of the line. I'd have been better off if I'd never tasted her loving. She took the heart from a melon and left me nothing but the rind. Well, my baby left her jingling John for folding Fred. True love never backed up one word that she said. And that proves to me that a blackberry's green when it's red. My baby left her jingling John for folding Fred. Well, my baby left her jingling John for folding Fred.